baby. Woo! Boom! Kill. Fired up, son. Hey guys, I'm Jesse Furr, and this is Grunt and Gobble Outdoors. This is a quick little hunt from turkey season 2017, where me and my buddy Will head down to about a 300-acre tract that we know has a pile of birds on it. When we get to the edge of the field and start listening, we can hear him gobbling on the limb across the field. We run across the field and get in the edge of the woods and set up, and the rest is history. Check it out and you'll see what happens. Boom, baby. Woo! Boom, another one, boy. Woo! Woo, thank you, Lord. Oh. Hey, boy. Unbelievable.
What do you guys say?
Unbelievable, dude. I don't have nothing to say. There ain't nothing to say. Well, guys, just like I said, a quick little hunt. It happened fast. The hen that was actually with him, we never even knew she was there until she came out in the field. And luckily, he followed right behind her as she was feeding. She fed up on top of the hill in the middle of the field, and he got to the point where he could see our decoys, and it pulled him in on a string. What an awesome hunt. One very memorable for me because how many turkey hunts do you have with the excavator sitting in the background? They had been doing some work out there, and the construction equipment had been there for probably a couple of weeks, so the turkeys were used to it, so it didn't even faze them. But like I said, you saw what happened, brought them right in, and that was it. So like I said, what an awesome hunt it was. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoy doing this. So like I say, thanks again, and have a great day.